All right, folks, here we go. It is Tuesday, and it's a quiet start to the day. Not a lot shaking in the overnight session, seeing these markets flat heading into the open, and you would expect that with tomorrow being the big Federal Reserve announcement in their monetary policy meeting, which kicks off today. It's a two-day meeting. So they meet today, meet tomorrow. Tomorrow afternoon, Fed Chairman Powell will come out and talk about rates. Is there going to be any change to their interest rate policy or forecast into the future? Anything they do in the immediate term? No one knows. All eyes are going to be fixated on that meeting tomorrow. So you would expect that the markets today and tomorrow morning are probably going to trade in more or less a holding pattern until we get this big catalyst event. That said, look at FX right now. That dollar is holding on to the gains that we saw last week, holding firm. Euro just trading just above 1.19. British pound just above 1.38. Today is a big day at Nadex, however. We have our Nadex educational event. How to day trade at Nadex. It's free, it's virtual, you can still sign up. It kicks off at 11 a.m. Eastern time today, 6 hours of free education. If you can't catch it live, we will have an archived version. Let's go get some today, folks. I'll check in with you tomorrow.